What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute. I know. I'm sorry. I stepped out. I took a break. I needed it. I was working a lot. I still am working a lot and I was lacking motivation. My daughter was here. It was summertime. So I just took a break. So hopefully you forgive me. But this video I am doing in collaboration with SEMINK. There will be links down below. And if you stay to the end of this video, we're doing a giveaway. So make sure you stay to the end of the video. Check the links down below. See how to enter. And also check my Instagram for more details as well. Or more entries, I should say. But I am going to do some application. I'm going to show you some of the tattoos that I was sent, show you guys also what tattoos I'm giving away. That is pretty much it. Outside of the application, I'm going to be trying this out. They are supposed to last a certain amount of time and look real, so I'm going to put that to the test. Today will be day one for whatever tattoos I'm applying, so let's show you what I'm about to do. Here we go. I'm going to be doing a couple small tattoos right now. They have a couple different kinds. So they have the kind that you usually see for like kids or like Halloween time, where you literally cut out the tattoo, apply it with some water, and it usually lasts a day, maybe 2 days. That's one type of tattoo that they have. They also have this kind, which is a stencil. Well, you can't see the stencil obviously because it's on a white piece of paper. Basically, you apply the stencil and then it comes with ink. And I believe these ones actually last a bit longer. Again, in the description I will put some more details so you guys can look into it and links so you can check them out. I will also have a discount link down below. These tattoos are extremely cheap, so we're gonna put it to the test, see how long they last, how realistic they look, see if it's worth your coin. But today I'm going to be doing 2 small ones for now, and then I will also record my application of the one that comes with the actual ink. Okay, so I'm going to be doing one little black and white one right here. This one right here. I'm going to actually apply it to my ear because I think that's really cute when there's like a little tattoo in here. And then I'm going to do one of these diamonds. I'm not sure if I want to do the pink or the green. I think I want to do the pink one. I'm not sure where I'm going to apply this yet, but I just wanted to do a color one and then a black and white one. And then I have these really beautiful ones. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with watercolor tattoos. They are extremely beautiful, very unique technique, and it's basically like a watercolor painting on your body. It's beautiful. And so I picked up a couple of those tattoos. This one I thought was just really amazing. And then I also grabbed this one, this mermaid one, which the colors are just so vibrant. So I wanted to put it to the test and see how the colors transfer to the skin, how long they last, all of that good stuff. I haven't really decided where I want to put this one or this one, but I just got them just to see and play around. Maybe I'll do it like on my hip because I've been wanting to do like a hip tattoo, so that might be cute. So I don't know, we'll see. But let's get into these. Okay, so just like any other little fake tattoo, you want to cut out your actual tattoo. So it's cut out. I'm going to do my left ear, so I'm going to clean in here because that's where I want it. And then you remove the little plastic that's on there, and let's see, how do I want this to go in there? This is a really hard decision, so I don't know. This is hard. I think I need to do this side, so give me 1 second. So I'm going to do my right ear instead, just because of the way that this curve is. I feel like it'll look better on this side. So I'm going to just place it on my ear like that, and then I have to, you know, soak it. How have you guys been? Hope you guys have been good. What's been up? What's been new? I'm hoping that now my schedule is a little adjusted. I've got it figured out, so now I can be here more. A lot has happened. A lot has changed in my career, so there's that. Ooh. So it says it should last about 3 to 5 days. So it kind of tells you based on the body part that you apply it. Ooh, I actually think I would like an ear tattoo now. I never really considered it. I mean, I thought about it. I think it looks really pretty when girls have ear tattoos. I don't know, I'm kind of liking that. Okay, so as you can see, those are very simple. They're very small. This one is super cute, and that one is really cute as well. It's funny how it looks different this way versus this way. Anyways, besides the point. So I will jump back on in just a few. To you, it will be like nanoseconds, but jump back on and do some of the colored ones, the big ones, and then also the ink one. We'll be back. Good morning, friends. We are on day 2 of the tattoo trial. Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to apply one of the bigger tattoos. I think I'm going to do the mermaid. I'm going to apply it to my hip thigh area and see how that looks, and then I'm still deciding on where I want the one that has the actual ink that's supposed to last a bit longer. I'm thinking maybe on my arm here somewhere. I don't know, I haven't decided, but off camera yesterday I put this cross on. I really like it. It actually makes me want to get it right here. And if you're familiar with hand tattoos or foot tattoos, or even like this area, anywhere where it's really thin skin, it typically will not last as long as somewhere like your arm or your leg, or even like the side of your waist. Those type of areas have a little bit more fat, a little bit more meat, and so the ink can stay longer. Hence the same for these fake tattoos. I have washed dishes, I have washed my hands, I have showered, I worked out, wore gloves. It's fading a little bit, like the slightest bit it's fading, but not too bad for me doing all of that stuff. So I'm going to move the camera down to my hip. Yes, you will see me in my drawers. Don't worry, no booties hanging out. I mean, besides what I have. So if you don't want to see that close and personal of my thigh, then I will put a timestamp and you can skip to that part. Okay, so we up close and personal. This is all me. So this is the tattoo I'm going to be putting. The colors are beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna place it right there. These little cutouts, there was like a horseshoe and a starfish, etc. Handy dandy paper towel. Look at how pretty the colors. And again, it's like shiny. That's cute. Hey. She's I put this one here because nobody's gonna see it but you guys in the world. I mean, hey, I'm working out, okay? Getting this body in shape. Hey. Yeah, that's really cute. I'll be back with another tattoo application. What's up, guys? I'm back and my face is beat. What? Okay, so we have been on this journey. We are mid-video. Some of my tattoos have come off already. My thigh piece is worn out, but I'm about to apply, I guess it's called Jaguar ink now, for you guys to show you exactly what it looks like and all that jazz, how to apply it and whatnot. So basically when I apply it, it's not going to really show up until tomorrow. So it's like 24-hour process. I believe I showed you guys what it looks like. So this is the ink itself. You guys can't see it, but it's feathers. And I think I'm gonna put it right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to adjust the camera so that you guys can see me do this, and then we'll go from there. I'll be back. Okay, so I've got the alcohol pad. I'm gonna do it right in this little area, like kind of the same area I have this one on this side. So I'm gonna do it right here. Let that dry. This is the stencil. I'm trying to be like really careful because I don't want it to be wrinkled, and then the ink doesn't sit right. So there's that. Oh, that's all it comes. It just comes with one. You guys watch TikTok? I'm learning about Visco Girl. Oop, I don't know how to do it. I'm not a Visco girl, obviously. And so then it just says to, see, this has like a really tiny nozzle. So basically just paint it in the holes, right? Oh, so it's not even like an ink. It's literally a gel. That's crazy. Okay, well that's gonna take a while, so just give me a minute and I'll be back and show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so now it's all the way filled in. Let me turn this down just a little bit. With the gel, I tried my best to not, you know, get it underneath so that it would be really nice lines. Now I have to let it sit and dry, and then when it dries I can peel this off and wash it, like rinse it off with water. It will be fully developed tomorrow. So I'm going to let it dry, rinse it. Tomorrow I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so tomorrow when it's fully developed, I will come back, show you guys, and then I will close this video out and announce the giveaway, what you gotta do. So we'll be back. For me, it'll be 24 hours. For you, it'll be like And we're back. What's up, friends? I'm back for the final day. So, as I said in the last little clip, did the tattoo here. Actually, let me take off my jacket. I did the jaguar tattoo. I believe that's what they call it. I'll have to double check. All the information will be down below, and it takes about 24 hours for it to process. I did see it processing a little bit last night, but as soon as I washed off the gel from my arm, you couldn't see anything. And then this morning, you could see that it has, I don't know if it's fully developed, but it's there. There, now you can see it. But that's what it looks like. So it definitely has the appearance of like a worn in tattoo. Like you can compare it to my wrist tattoo here. I've had this for probably 10 years. So I mean, you can definitely see like how it looks like I've had this tattoo for a while. So there's that, which is really cool. So like I said in the last clip, if you create your own stencils or have your own like type of design, the nozzle is really thin, so you can kind of, you know, design whatever you want and just draw on you. Basically have tattoos that aren't real, but they do genuinely look real. Like this looks like it's a part of me. It doesn't look like the shiny ones that just sit on the surface. And for the giveaway, so I will show you what's in the giveaway. I haven't decided how many winners I want to have, but I'm going to be giving away 2 of these. So I have 2 of these sheets, and then I also have a few smaller ones as well that I'm giving away. So I think I might do 2 winners. I'm going to do 1 winner on here on YouTube, and then 1 on Instagram. So I will post that giveaway on my Instagram. If you aren't following, make sure you check all the links down below. There will be a link down below for your entry for this giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment when you are done filling out the giveaway link. And then if you want a second entry, just go ahead and follow me on my Instagram and let me know in that same comment that you have followed me, and I will check that status and all that good stuff. So that is that, and make sure you go check out SEMINK. There's so many great options on there. Like I said, the Jaguar one is really cool. They have different stencils, or like I said, you can just buy the ink and create your own stencils if you want. There's a ton of these fake tattoos that are super cheap, but they look really pretty. The colors when they go on your skin are just as vibrant as they are on the paper, and it's just something to have that's a little bit longer lasting than a typical temporary tattoo. So I highly recommend checking them out. If you're not like a tattoo person, but you've thought about it, but you're not sure, like just give it a try. Check it out, see if you like it, and then if you like it, maybe you'll get one. If not, it's at least fun to have temporarily, or maybe you're going to an event and you want to like just add some like character to your look just for that weekend or that night or whatever. That's fun too. So check them out, SEMINK. I'll put their link down below as well, and also check them out on Instagram and all that good stuff. But I'm so glad I'm back. Slowly but surely. I know this video has taken me a while to film, but I wanted to test out all of the tattoos and kind of give you my final verdict on that. And it definitely has inspired me to get more tattoos in different areas with different looks. So that's always a bonus, right? Make me spend more money. But anyways, they're a really nice company. Their customer service is great, and I hope you guys go check them out. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want that second entry, go over to my Instagram, follow me there, and leave that in the comments. Let me know when you guys are done. Alright, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments as well, like what videos you guys want to see. I do have a video recommendation or suggestion for more of my finance stuff, which I do have some information on that, on my budget life and debt-free life and all that. So that's going to be coming up soon. If there's something specific you guys want me to talk about, definitely let me know, and I'm down. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.